Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video. And on today's video, I will be showing you how to fix flash on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. If you are having trouble to turn on flash on your Snapchat, there are some solutions to that. So first of all, you have to make sure that you have enough battery on your mobile device. If not, simply plug into charger on your device. And after your device gets charged, open up the Snapchat and check if your problem can be solved or not. If not, you have to make sure that you have the latest version of Snapchat on your device. For that, open up the Play Store and on the search bar at the top, type in Snapchat, tap on Snapchat again, and if your app is missing out any updates, you will get update option where I have opened. Simply tap on update and wait until your app get updates. Once your app is updated, open up the Snapchat again and check for your problem. If that's still not solved, then you have to clear cache of your Snapchat application on your device. For that, open up the settings on your device. Now tap on apps. Here again tap on see all apps. From here, you have to look for Snapchat. Then tap on Snapchat. That will take you to the app info page of Snapchat. From here, tap on storage and cache. Then you have to tap on clear cache. That will remove the junk file linked to Snapchat. And after you do that, you can manage space. For that, tap on manage and a dialog box will pop up with some information. So make sure you read that as well. That says Snap will permanently delete the following app data from your device. That's your Snap and chats, logins, settings, personal info, and app activity. Furthermore, snaps that you save to camera roll and other app will not be deleted. So once you did that, tap on delete and now open up the Snapchat. And as you can see, you have to re-enter your login credentials since you have deleted the app info from your device. So simply log into your account by providing your correct login credentials. Once you log into your account, as you can see, we can see the flash icon at the upper right corner of this interface. And if still this doesn't help you, the last thing you have to do is simply uninstall the Snapchat application from your device and install it again. To uninstall your application, head over to your application page and from the Snapchat, hold on Snapchat there, tap on app info and simply uninstall that application and from Play Store install it back. And that will help you to solve the problem. So that's how you fix flash on Snapchat on your mobile device. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe, like and hit the bell icon so that you will get update the next time we upload more tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.